I'm going to make a recording of this sewer here at 7520, 31st Ave Northwest here in Seattle. The date is March 31st, 2021. Came out here to take a look at a sewer, give a second opinion as to what's going on here and what's the root cause and the idea to fix. So I've ran the camera. I'm down here in the basement running this camera through the toilet flange. I got about, as you can see, about 83 or so feet out from this toilet flange to a spot I located in the road. And I located that. This is as far as I can push the camera. I'm running into something solid right there. And as you see as we come back, you're not going to really see anything on this camera scope. But I just wanted to make a recording so that the homeowner can kind of see what we see. Since unable to be here, I'm trying to show you what we're looking at. So the entire line is filled with sewage. And that's what a line filled with sewage looks like. I mean, there's a lot of water in there as we come back. And raw sewage. Now we're coming back up out of the toilet flange. And you can see in the toilet flange we're totally full of water down there. So flush or two, maybe not even that much, and we are overflowing the basement again. So I'm going to end the recording there. We're going to pop over to the neighboring house, see if we can't learn anything from there.